Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So we'll be continuing with our Allen's keynote series with our next drug, Natrium muriaticum. Common name, common salt. Formula, NaCl. Constitution. For the anemic and cathectic, whether form of loss of vital fluids, profuse menses, seminal losses, or mental affections. Mental generals. For the bad effect of anger caused by offense, of grief, fright, vexation, mortification, or reserved displeasure. Irritability. Child cross when spoken to, crying from slightest cause, gets into a passion about trifles, especially when consoled with. Awkward, hasty, robs things from nervous weakness. Marked disposition to weep, sad weeping mood without cause. But consolation from others aggravates her troubles. Dreams of robbers in the house and on waking will not believe to contrary until search is made. Of burning thirst. Physical generals, great emaciation, losing of flesh while living well. Throat and neck of children emaciate rapidly during summer complaints. Great liability to take cold. Craving for salt, great aversion to bread. For the bad effects of acid food, bread, quinine, excessive use of salt, of cauterization of all kinds with silver nitrate. Head, headache, anemic of schoolgirls from sunrise to sunset, left-sided clevis as of bursting with red face, nausea and vomiting before, during and after menses, as though 1,000-liter hammers were knocking in the brain during fever, which is better by perspiration. Headache beginning with blindness, with zigzag dazzling like lightning in the eyes, ushering in a throbbing headache from eye strain. The hair falls out of when touched in nursing woman, face oily, shiny as if greased. Eyes, lacrimation, tears stream down the face whenever he coughs. Mouth, sensation as of hair on the tongue. Mouth, tongue mapped with red insular patches like ringworms on side. Heavy difficult speech, children slow in learning to walk. Gastrointestinal system, constipation, sensory sensation of contraction of anus, tone, bleeding, smarting afterwards, stools dry, hard, difficult, crumbling, stitches in rectum, involuntary, knows not whether flatus or feces escape. Urinary system, urine, involuntary when a walking, coughing, laughing, has to wait a long while for urine to pass. If others are present, cutting in urethra after. Male reproductive system, seminal emission soon after coition with increased desire, weakness of organs with retarded emission during an embrace, impotence, spinal irritation, paralysis and after sexual excesses. Female reproductive system, pressing, pushing towards genitals every morning, must sit down to prevent prolapses. Respiratory system, hay fever, squirming sensation in the nostrils as of a small worm brought on by exposure to hot sun or intense summer heat. Cardiovascular system, fluttering of heart with a weak faint feeling which is aggravated by lying down. The heart's pulsations shake the body. Extremities, painful contractions of the hamstring. Fever, fever blisters like pearls about the lips, lips dry, sore and cracked, ulcerated. Intermittent paroxysm at 10 or 11 am. Old chronic badly treated cases, especially after suppression by quinine. Headache with unconsciousness during chill and heat. Sweat which is better by pains. Skin, hangnails, skin around the nails dry and cracked. Herpes around anus and on the borders of hair at nape of neck. In bend of knees. Warts on palms of hand. Eczema, raw, red, inflamed, especially in edges of hair, which is aggravated from eating too much of salt at seashore or from ocean voyage. Urticaria, acute or chronic, over whole body, especially after violent exercises. Modalities, aggravation at 10 or 11 am at the seashore or from sea air, heat of sun or stove, mental exertion, talking, writing, reading, lying down. Amelioration in the open air, cold bathing, going without regular meals, lying on right side. Relation, complementary to apis, acts well before and after it. Natrium mure is the chronic of ignatia, which is its vegetable analog. It is followed by cepa and thuja. Cannot often be repeated in chronic cases without an undercurrent called for by the symptoms. Should never be given during fever paroxysms. If vertigo and headache will be very persistent or prostrations be prolonged after natrium, nux will relief. Thanks a lot.